Hi, this is Father Like Son. I'm Paul,
I'm Elijah.
and he's going to do another break. Here we go. Chrome, knock it out.
Alright,
This is what he got with his money that he got
from my birthday.
from his birthday.
Charlie Blackmon, Willie Calhoun, Chris Bryant, 35th anniversary,
Nice.
and Trevor Bowyer.
Let me see.
Andrew Benintendi, Francisco Lindor, Victor Robles, freshman flash, rookie,
No.
and Sean Doolittle. Personal favorite, Max Fried, Alex Verdugo, rookie at Refractor, Nelson Cruz, and Matt Scherzer. Felix George, Justin Turner.
Ooh,
AJ
wow.
Minter rookie auto.
I just bought this for him for his birthday.
$391 of $499.
Oh, wow. It's numbered?
Yeah.
Let me see.
And then Marcell Ozuna.
Ah, it's a refractor.
Oh. And we had just bought one from
AJ Minter. Refractor.
Dang, that's money
Nice.
right there. That probably just got us some money back.
We were, no joke, we were just talking about this in the car on the way here, that the odds of getting a autograph card was 1 in 17,000 packs.
17,037 packs.
Wow.
Rowdy Reed.
Rowdy Reed.
Rowdy Reed. Jordan Montgomery, Future Stars. Steven Strasburg. And Johan Moncada.
I'll do one after you.
Ooh, baseball card baby might like this. Aaron Judge.
And golly. Brett Gardner.
Taylor Molly, Prism card rookie, sideways.
Alright. Cole Hamels.
Gary Sanchez.
Sean Doolittle, refractor.
And Hunter
Renfroe. And Jose Altuve.
Alright, now on to our Sapia.
Ooh, that's a prism.
Chris Taylor. Anthony Rendon. Razel Iglesias.
Iglesias.
Yeah. And Tim Beckham.
All right. Let's go over what you got, man.
Alright. So, starting off with Jordan Montgomery, Future Stars. Aaron Judge.
Mm-hmm.
Tyler Molly, Side Prism rookie. Sing Doolittle refractor. Justin Turner.
85th anniversary?
35th.
35th, yeah.
Alex Verdugo.
Verdugo.
Rookie refractor. Victor Robles, freshman flash rookie. Chris Bryant, 35th anniversary. And then to end it off with our amazing pull of AJ Minter refractor auto,
Numbered
391 of 499.
Nice. But like always, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. We always need to know what we're doing wrong, what we're doing right. Be nice.